Hi, I'm Martin and this is a Jabra BIS 2300. Jabra BIS 2300 is a headset designed and developed with contact centers and agents in mind, focusing on three key areas. Great sound in microphone and speakers, high level of comfort for the agent, and competitive total cost of ownership. Great sound is made of two parts, the microphone and the speakers. The bendable boom arm allows you to move the microphone close to your mouth, and the microphone is breath resistant, and with noise cancellation it filters out ambient noise so only the agent's voice is heard by the customer. The speakers are designed to fit the ears perfectly and reduce disturbing background noise. The Jabra BIS 2300 is designed to be worn all day. Weighing only 68 grams, the headset is one of the lightest on the market. The boom arm can rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to adjust to the optimal position. When not on a call, it's easy to move it out of the way to take a sip of coffee. All in all, Jabra BIS 2300 is durable, flexible, easy to deploy and maintain for contact centers, and you get it at a fair and a reasonable price point. To learn more about Jabra BIS 2300, visit jabra.com.